Yeah, drink fine and ginger.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today is day 4 of my wash and go with the Cream of Nature pure honey line. So you know they use by now. So I untie my hair and then shake. Okay, that was a bit extra than neighbor, but and you use fluff. I can't must say, okay, I've realized that with creams like these, they give a different texture than when you use a gel. With the gel it's more crunchy, and when you use the cream it is more soft. So but alright, today I don't really want to change my hairstyle today, so I'm gonna do the regular ketchup and leave some. Doesn't have to be straight because ain't nobody seeing me either. I use handy dandy elastic band, your black elastic, and actually using 2, and I lost my part, guys. So these aren't really curling from the roots anymore. So this is water. It has in olive oil and my oil that I've been using. So I'm just spray right there. Not a lot, just a little bit. Then I get the twisting cream from the pure honey line. Don't need a lot, so I'm gonna just and then fluff. Guys, my edge is still late from yesterday. Sorry, I don't know if you're able to see. There's a light in the background though. And get my handy dandy toothbrush to lay them edges. Yesterday I didn't spray no water on it, but it was too far. I normally spray some water. Get my handy dandy eco style gel. Get a bit on it, and then just relay the edges. And that's it. Well, no, I can feel some, I don't know, some dry ends at the back, so I'm going for my oil. I'm just gonna get a bit and just work my way through. I forget. and then I cut the back of my hair. So I need to show it some TLC. So I'm gonna get my spray bottle, shake, 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 and just spray a bit at the back, and then my brush. Bought this brush at Walmart a couple years ago. Need a new brush though. Then I'm gonna get some gel. I'm gonna try my best to lay down what's visible as much as possible. But my hair is very unruly, so that's not gonna last long. Okay. And then go back to fluffing. Brown fluff, 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 fluff. And yes, let me show you guys a bit more closer. Guys, this curl right here. Girl, guys, I have to give you the story of my hair one day, but this is it, guys. Now today is day 5 of my wash and go with the Cream of Nature Pure Honey line, and this is the last day I'm going to be wearing it for, because it's my graduation weekend starting from tomorrow, which is Friday. So I don't know how I'm gonna comb my hair yet, but yeah, so this is the last day I'm wearing it, and so I'm going to do a style with it and refresh some of those curls. See how long that is? And also going to oil it because it's starting to get, some parts starting to get fuzzy and dry. So I'm gonna oil it first with my Aunt Jackie's flaxseed and manoi oil. I think that's how it's pronounced, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong. Get some of that oil. My fingers. And just work my way through. So I'm going to do a little twist right at the front, right here. Yep. Then I get my hairpins. I have my hairpins in a container. And then just secure that. Guys, let me tell you this container was full of hairpins, but things happen. I'm gonna secure this bad baby here. Get some more of the Cream of Nature twisting cream and refresh. let's do that again. Now I'm going to take the Cream of Nature twisting cream to refresh some of them curls. The back. And as usual, I'm going to oil my undercut. Is it an undercut though? Yeah, I think it is. And just let it be, let it go. And then I'm gonna give my edges some TLC. Close this real quick with my handy dandy Eco Styler gel. Shake, shake, shake. And again, this is my spray bottle with olive oil and the anti-jockey's oil in it. Just spray some on the brush with the gel. And then just work my way in. And guys, I am no professional dude. I am no professional when it comes to laying them edges. No, at the end of the day they always lift up, but I don't really care as long as when I'm leaving my house they be popping. But then it only stays if I tie it down, which I plan to do today, seeing that I have enough time. This pimple here doesn't want to be great. I always use some extra hold. Okay, so that's it. I don't know. You can see the back. Now I'm going to tie down my edges with, I think this is silk. I think it is. Well, if it isn't, I've been lying to myself for a very long time, because I thought it was, if it's not. But according to me it is, so just folding it to, because I just want to cover the edges there, really. So you get it right on the edges. Secure that there. Whoops. Let's get those in out and tie it again. The top. And voila. So that's it, guys. This weekend is my graduation. Graduating from university. So yes, that is why I said this would be the last day of my wash and go with the Cream of Nature line, because I had planned to do my hair, but I'm not sure yet how I'm going to do it. But I know I have to wash it. So and that's it, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, like and comment any videos you'd like me to do. Once again, thank you guys for your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.